Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can download and install Udemy application on your mobile device. So first, you need to open the Play Store. Once you open the Play Store, you tap on search bar and type in Udemy and tap on search. And here you can see on the top the Udemy application. Now you just need to tap on install just beside it. Tap on it and you wait for the application to be installed. Udemy is an online course provider. It is an online learning and teaching marketplace. Over millions of students applying for the course and degree. Udemy is a platform that allows instructors to build the online course on their preferred topics. So you can see here the application has been installed. Now you just need to tap on open, and with that you have successfully installed and downloaded the Udemy application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.